Hi guys, hi people. Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening. How you guys doing? I hope you are doing well. Here's my freezy corn. I want to cook it. Let's cook this corn together, guys. Here's my freezy corn. I froze it almost how many months now? Since I think over 5 or 6 months now. I still have many. Just put it in the fridge. I'm cooking it small. I love corn, guys. I love eating corn. How you guys doing now? I hope you do well now. I hope all of you do okay. Happy weekend, guys. I hope you do okay. Now shine. I will be my stand here. I can't believe it. This congregation can't. I follow from no okay this night. Why it come this night? I can't hungry me. Now they cook so. I love corn. I only buy food for free. When corn time don't finish. Like oh, can they eat the corn? That time I will come. My own corn time will come appear. See? You can buy it and put it in the fridge. It will still look fresh for you. I hope all of you do okay. So, yeah, my corn. Eat this night. Eat and go to bed. Today is weekend. Tomorrow nobody is going nowhere. So we'll eat and go to bed. Oh, wow. Nigeria, what did they play? I hope now don't close the oven and it finish. Nigeria, I hope I don't kill all the oven and it finish. I don't get work. Even I get work. Now for know what to now do for myself now. I don't get work at all. And I don't get work. Now this is Funani Day. Funani Day gidigba with na politicians. If you don't know, it's not politicians. Funani Day gidigba with them. Where Funani go say, oh yeah, Oga Buhari sit. Oga Buhari will sit. Bad boy sit. Bad boy will sit. Shoot Buhari. Bad boy get up. Buhari go get up. If you say bad boy run, Buhari go run. I feel like the level where Funani get for Nigeria. The Nigeria citizens don't get the level. You know why? Because we the Nigeria citizens, many of us, we don't get mind. You know? Now raking now with the rake. But you see the Funani, our leader knows say they get mind. Like I mean, they employ these people, oh, they pay their salary every month. I don't know. Like I mean, they employ them. Come from all those Fulani when I see that one not be real Nigeria Fulani. All those Fulani when I see for bush, they rape women, they thief, they kill people. They are Fulani from what they call this country, Cameroon and all that. Now that side now those Fulani for relocate to Nigeria. Other will not be Nigeria Fulani. Now leader and then go employ the company, the country help them. Sometimes me I know they understand that one you do at all. Una no go ask myself say all those weapons wey these people dey get, how they take dey get am? And now see ask myself, all those raping wey dey rape women for bush, they rape women from Lagos to Benin, they kidnap them, they thief their things and all that. Why our leader, why they never speak against it? Now wetin I supposed to ask myself? You see Fulani, they don't take over Nigeria. Fulani, they are gidigba, they are the strongest Nigeria citizen. I don't know. Now you say Fulani, go open your Nigeria passport. May you see whether Buzu no dey inside. You see that culture inside. Go and open your Nigeria passport. They don't add the John Nigeria long time ago. Go and open your Nigeria passport. You will see that they already had these people, Jonah. They don't add Fulani, those Buzu people. They don't add. Now they call them Fulani. They are not Fulani, they are Buzus. They don't add the John Nigeria passport. If you don't know, the real Fulani way they don't do evil. All those people when they see Buzu and all those people they work for desert. Fulani and those will be say, if you see women who will read Fulani women, they are the most beautiful women in this earth. You see the one where they kill, so they are the Buzu. What I mean by Buzu? Buzu and all those people they stay for desert, those way past Libya. They know what they try to talk. There is difference between Fulani and Buzu. Big difference there. These Buzu people, Nigeria don't implore them that they are paying them, and they can't even add the join inside Nigeria passport. They don't turn to Nigeria citizens. So if you don't know me, I know. You see all those fights when they fight Fulani. These people don't have a hand of the killing of people where the Buzu people that they kill. All that when I get bush, the owner of bush is Buzu people. The owner of bush, when I mean real forest, now Buzu people. That make our leader, they use them against us. Anytime when we want to stand up for our rights, they only use these people against us and say, now there be the woolocks where are Jack Hensat protest. Meanwhile, they pay them. If you now watch all those small videos where they cut, we're not gonna say our leader know things about these Buzu people. These people, they are not Fulani, they are Buzu people. Fulani not the key. Fulani not the key because they are well. I don't know what to talk about. They know how human being life take. How human being life if you take so how you feel. You see Buzu, those way past desert, they gonna know what how they talk. Buzu not care. They kill anything killable. They even value animal than human being. That is Buzu for you, yes. They kill anything killable. This one they say Fulani fine, una make them as Fulani, no problem. Fulani. Now who be the Fulani? Now leader be the Fulani. Because they work with all those people. They are working with them. That is why you see anytime people cry out Fulani raid them, kill their family, you will not see any Nigerian leader who is going to speak about it because they are all evil. They are all in the same group together. This Fulani one at the top. Before I feel say na one drive Fulani come up for Nigeria. Una go first drive all those Baba leaders. If you never first drive all those Baba leaders, trust me, Fulani go nowhere. Fulani go nowhere. You know why? Because these people are working with our leaders. Anytime, any day when Nigerian citizens go stand up against one something, that they use these people against us. They will use it. They can know that these people don't have value for human being. They know it. So they use them against us. You see? They are getting benefit for all those people. There is no way they will speak bad about it. They get benefit from them. So wasting your time, go and fighting people who don't fight you, whether they even fight, I don't know. Now video now for the scene. I think that is this fight. You don't watch it. Before you now fight Fulani, me and Fe go fight una leader. Now leader be the real criminal in that Nigeria. Now leader be the real killers. If you don't know me, I know. Una leader be the real killer. If you don't want to make Nigeria good, I just say la. If you don't want to make Nigeria good, men and fair drive all those una leader. They are all Fulani gang. All those una leader, all those politicians, the way they don't rule, they rule us. Men and fair drive all that one enter. Zara, what do they call this desert? Drive them enter that place. Make them go start their life there. Then drive the Fulani follow them because they are working together. Before now, feel say now one feel drive Fulani. Fulani, they don't come, they don't stay. They don't go where they go. You know why? This our leader employ them. They pay them. They use these people to fight against the real Nigeria citizen. One soul of Fulani go die, you will see say all the whole northern they will get up, say they kill their people like that. They will start killing. The worst part inside this place, this fight one and the fight. Although me, I don't have any family for north. No, I don't have. I'm just feeling pity for those who have family for north side. May I not forget this fight like this don't fair happen many years ago for north side. When be say small shit can't spoil yansh that time, they can't begin killing people anyhow. Anybody when they see for north that time, if you are not a Muslim, they will just slaughter you. They don't care. These people, trust me, these people are dangerous because the fight when people they fight, they try to kill these people. Now so they also they kill na people where they not. Before now feel they fight all those fight. Men allow na people where they not come house first. Before now also now when they fight this fight. Una they kill them. They also they kill innocent people where they know nothing about this fight. They also they kill them there. How can you use violence to fight violence? It's not going to work. Many of you they impulse me. Why am I saying something like this? Please stop impulsing me. I'm not your boy, but your bad boy, your bad Buhari. I'm not going to impulse Buhari. Tell Buhari that they should let Fulani to go. Me, I'm just here to speak my mind in my platform. Here is my platform. If you cannot comment here when I'm making live video, don't come to my inbox and inbox me. Don't do that. I am not your bad boy. There. You people should go and fight your leader in your country, fight them so that they can drive away the Fulanis there. Because this fight, when they fight, when I kill one Fulani, all the old Northerners will stand up. They will join Fulani. Don't forget, all the old Northerners, they work together with Fulani, Buzu, they work with them. If you not kill, they say that you people are killing them too much, they will start killing your people again. You people know these people, their fight doesn't go end. Their fight doesn't go end. If the innocent people is one who is going to die. The innocent people living in North is the one who is going to fight. So Nigeria's youth, don't start the fight that you know you cannot finish, especially my Edo people state. You guys should not forget that many Edo people are in the North going schooling there. When you are fighting, use your sense. Use your sense. Don't let these people kill innocent people that live in North side. If you people want to go and check history of how many years ago, you will see how especially Igbo people were slaughtered like an animal in North side how many years ago. All because of all those irrelevant fights. You people throw a stone, you back off. Other people will go and be suffering for what they know nothing about. So if you are embossing me, I am not your bad boy. I am not your Buhari, the bad boy. Go and emboss your Buhari. I am not Buhari, your bad boy. This is my platform. If you cannot comment when I'm on live, don't come to my inbox and inbox me. Don't do that. Anyway, if I see it, I normally delete it because you people are irrelevant people. Don't start a fight you cannot finish. These people, they have weapons that we the youth of Nigeria don't even know how to operate anything. They have weapons. They are working with our leaders. Before you can bring these people down, make sure you bring all those bad boys leaders down. If you people cannot hunt all those people down, leave these people alone. You people should try and make peace with these people. That is what I'm here to just say this night. Try and make peace with these people. For a fact that you know you people cannot finish, my those state people, you people should not start it. Don't look what the Igbo people are doing in your, because it's not all Igbo support this fight that they are fighting. No, the good Igbo will not support something like this. The Igbo people that go school, that really go school, they will not support evil like this. They will not. They will not. Edo people don't start. You know, I know say Edo youth. Many of us, many of them, they are very lazy. So when they throw one gunshot, all of them go run enter. Now the innocent people now you go die. Those who start the fight, they not go die. So you people should not start what you know you cannot finish. Our leader, they are our problem that we have. It's not the Funanis them. It's not them. Our leader is the problem that we are having today. Our leaders. Una go ask ourselves, why is it that now only Hausa people be the one wey they change dollar, they change euro for that new Benin there. We're not supposed to ask ourselves. Una think say all those dollar wey they change, all the money now for them. No, it's from our politicians them. The money is not for them. They are working for our politicians then. So if you are doing something, use your head. Don't let all those politicians let us go die that we our time never even reach. They are inside with their children, drinking beer, drinking juice, eating all kind of food. While you people are there fighting, they don't care about our welfare. These people don't care. That is the reason why they employ those bad boys, all those woodlock, how they say it. That's why they employ them to stop the EndSARS protest. They know that when that this thing continue like that in 3 or 4 months, they have big problem. That is the reason why these people plan with all those bad boys. They plan with all those Fulani people to come and be shooting outside, wear soldier clothes, be shooting outside. These people know what they are doing. They know what they are doing. They are the one who rules that Nigeria. The Fulani is working for those people. You people don't just get it. You don't get it. These people are working for them. So when you are fighting a fight, you want to start a fight, make sure you have all the old weapon that you know that it can last you people for how many years you want to use to start a fight. I have been a living witness for fight. When they mean fight, those who stay Libya know a meaning of war. So for me, I know a meaning of war. I know how war look like. I know when they will throw one bomb in a city that far away from me, the way you will hear the sound in a city, or maybe like 4 hours or 3 hours city, where they will throw one bomb, you were there far away from that city, maybe like 2 hours or you, the way your mind will shake you. Now that one said go fair even fair key all the whole Nigeria citizen. So don't start a fight that you know you cannot finish. These people have every taste to follow you people to hunt. It's not like I'm supporting them. I'm just here to just lay my opinion out. If you know you don't have weapon to fight these people, don't start it. Don't start it, because these people are working with our politicians. They are all thief. They are all thief people. They are wicked. They don't care about human beings' soul. They don't care. Our leader, they don't care. Because if these people are not working with our leader, how many years now Benin start shouting, Fulani must go, Fulani must go? It's almost 4 years now, 5 years. That Fulani start raping our women in farm, killing them and all that, taking cow to their farm, destroying their farmland. When they speak, they kill them. Our leader never stand up one day, especially the Edo governor. He never stand one day. The way he put soldier, army to occupy everywhere when they was doing EndSARS protest. That is what you people supposed to do. Edo youth. Don't let these people use people twice again. These people are so wicked. They don't have value for human beings. They don't care. They don't care. And I don't still blame them. It's you, the youth, is the one who vote for them because of 20 naira, 5 naira, 100 naira. Especially the one that they are staying in Europe here. You are here in Europe. What concern you concern the election that they are doing in Africa? You should have no business. If you see any person in Europe here supporting any leader in Africa, know that they have paid that person. That is just the truth. They have paid that person to do campaign for them. So men are way there, men are using my hair, men are not let people for Europe come push una enter hole wey una not supposed to enter. You see we wey dey here, especially we wey dey this Dutchland here, we work oh. We will not work oh, no hand, we will get paid. Una understand? So make una not let them push una go enter hole. If you have been in Libya, when Libya war start, you will know the meaning of war. I have been there. My present war start. I don't even know. I enter Italy never take before they fit kill the Buhari. Well, before they kill Buhari self. I don't know what. Before they kill Gaddafi. So, men are using our sense. Don't let people from Europe push people enter hole. Use their platform for them to tell you where the people that people have to attack is the leaders, the head, from the head hunt to down. When you feel hunt the head, you feel hunt the tail. If you not feel hunt the head, you cannot from tail hunt it go head. It's not going to possible. It's not going to work. From head hunt come down. Yes, that make you a good hunter. If you want to hunt the bad boys leader in Nigeria, from the sea, just hunt them from head to toe, starting from Buhari the bad boy, starting from him, because that man don't have any value for human being life. No, you don't have any value at all. You don't care how Nigeria citizens feel like, how you don't even care. More your hand, he get paying staff, people where they work for and they pay them. You know money where they receive for him. Now where they shot. Invest your time in a good thing. Leave all those people alone. They don't know what they are doing. Invest your time in a good thing. Fight that it doesn't have starting. It don't have head. The thing guy they do me for body. The guy they do me when end start protest start. We your thing say this is the end though for our bad leader to quit. Now lie. They don't quit. They go and plot this Funani Buzu people, make them come shoot, say na they be the wool loss. Meanwhile, our leader be the wool loss where they say na he jack the protest. So men are using that say these people are so wicked. They are wicked. Our leader have bios. They cage Nigeria citizens. They pack them in the cage, and when you speak out, they will arrest you. When you try to defend your fellow Nigerian citizen in a way the way our leader treated them, they will get you arrested. So can't you see? Can't you see? Just fighting a fight that you cannot show your face. You cannot show your face. When you show your face, you are the leader of this one, and they will get you arrested. Can't you see? Nigeria already see. They don't cover the whole youth man because the youth, some of them don't have sense. They have sell their soul to the leaders. They have said their soul to the leader by collecting 500 euros, voting for you. Stupid people. Vote for one person again and again and again. Keep ruling us without no good life. Nothing, no good life. Like Buhari don't fair rule long time ago. You see, come back again, come rule again. Not be people vote for him for the first time. Did he do anything? Not be people come vote for him again. Not people still vote for him the second one. So men are using that sense. Arrest my case here. Una good now. Una bye.